Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is about the ways that how you can enjoy living every moment of your life. This is a very interesting topic which I guess I have discussed in one of my videos. You should check obviously in my channel. Well, today I'll be giving a very detailed and a bit standard explanation about that. If you watch that video, of course you will understand this video, because this is going to be a little bit tougher for you. Even though if you listen to it carefully, you will understand exactly what I am trying to highlight through things. So living every moment of life is that you enjoy every moment of your life. This is a very common topic. This is a very common saying. Many people, many of our friends, many of our acquaintances, they suggest us that we should enjoy every moment of our life because this is one life we have got. This is what one life God has gifted us. So we should utilize it properly. So my first thing that I want to share with you is that living every moment of your life is a pretty good success of living a life. If you learn to live every moment of your life, you should know that you have got the idea to live your life in a happier note, because there would be external issues, there would be person's problem, there would be people problem, so you emotional problem, psychological problem, everything could be there. But if you are stable with your own mindset, own mental health, own perspectives, of course you will enjoy every moment. Even the worst moment also somewhere you will enjoy. So in that way you can avoid your sorrows. So firstly, the thing is that living every moment of our life is not a very easy task, obviously. But once you become aware of every moment and its positives and negatives, then you would understand that this is a moment you have got and this is something that you can cherish. The problem with people mostly is that they don't know how to enjoy those moments. They don't have that creativity. So of course, having that creativity, not having that creativity is not a crime, and having that creativity would be God's blessing. So if you don't have that creativity, if you feel so, what you should do is, you should first of all should not regret about it. Rather, you should try to learn it through various sources. Of course, you will find lots of motivational videos. Try to learn from there. You can also join my channel to learn from there. So to understand and enjoy every moment of your life, when you understand the basics of that moment, suppose you are taking a dinner. You are taking a dinner with your parents, sitting on a dining table and you are eating your food. So in that process, how can you enjoy? If I ask you, how can you enjoy? Then you will say that we can talk over the dinner, we can discuss something interesting, we can think or plan some interesting things that we can do on weekends or coming holidays. Yes, this is of course good. You should do it. Something else you also can do. You can see the environment, you can see the surrounding, you can feel, you can connect to yourself, and you can see that this moment is something that you can enjoy. Well, this kind of feelings mostly is triggered when you read some novels, when you watch some serials, when you read some stories. So according to that mood, you connect to your present self or present environment. So this is how we enjoy moments. This is why we all love stories, and I would recommend everyone to watch and read stories, novels, whatever possible. Try to learn from them, not in the intention of learning. Try to enjoy that story, try to understand that story, and in the process, you will learn something, and in the process, you will learn to enjoy. Just this is not a very easy process for everyone. So, my suggestion is just take a step, try for it, start it, do it. Once you do it, you will start to develop a sense within yourself that would help you to enjoy each and every moment of your life. One more thing you can do, you can put your own efforts that would bring more creativity to enjoy and live each and every moment of your life. Nothing is best than this. You have done with your restaurants, you have done with food, you have done with travel, you have done with socializing. So now it's time to spend some time with your own self to enjoy the moment, because it's that what we see is always not what we feel. It's that what we think we feel. So even if you see something good, you may be thinking something bad and you are feeling bad. This happens. So try to see everything, try to use all of your senses to make your life a happier one. Because once you start doing these things, then no one can make you sad. Even those big problems cannot make you sad. Even if it make you sad, it would be for just few moments, not for a longer time. So friends, I hope this is helpful to you, as I have discussed with you this topic, because I was uh, experiencing this topic and I thought to discuss with you, because it's a very important and vital thing that I have experienced in my own life, and I want you all to enjoy your life to the fullest. That is the purpose of my channel. So friends, thank you friends. Thank you for today. And of course, I promise you that I'll be coming up with some new video that would help you to make your life even more better. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Love you all.